Oh shit, it's fucking Goliath and Korea on the other team. Oh, this guy's got a Lucio icon. You better lock that shit in fast, chat. Easy. Stolen. Ah, shit.
We got all the support.
Are you serious?
Hi.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm pretty sure Frog can play something that's not Lucio's.
I'm pretty sure he only plays Lucio.
I'm pretty sure he's not actually a Lucio main.
Let's bring it together.
Chat, I think this is one of the games that I can't Lucio on because otherwise we instantly lose because I'm pretty sure that guy is fuck it. Pretty sure that guy is not gonna lock in if I don't. Arrow W for 100 bits. Thank you. Or maybe he just doesn't load in at all anyway.
Korea sucks. It's okay.
It's awkward. I think I got fucked. I had my heal station too. Wow, no one shot him. Gold healing, gold damage feels good, man. Fucking Soldier 76. Unsubbed. Come on, you know I'm not a one trick. I'll play Lucio as much as I can, but if there's other people who are one tricks in my game and they only play their heroes, I'm not gonna be that guy who just fucks the whole team, you know?
Feeling powerful. That's better.
How do I get this? Let's see.
Experience tranquility. I've got you in my sights. Hello.
I'm out of here, peace.
Patched up.
She's dead. It's not good. Fuck, my legs, they're broken.
Heroes never die. All systems checked out.
Lights out.
Wow, that right click, I just wanted to punch him to death. Oh, because, oh yeah, you don't generally want to amp out of spawn so that way by the time you get back you have another amp ready. How did that fucking spread? I guess it should burst from this range too.
They're on, it's gonna be down.
Holy shit. Like that's what the Sombra did all game. Feels bad. 6 feels good, man. Nice, dude. Fuck your right click. He's almost out of it. No one shoot the bubble. Sen's gonna be back in a sec. You ready? Jesus, like I killed. It's just, what do I do?
Can we use more pops? I think there's a five.
The enemy is here. Get over here and heal up. Feeling spry.
Last got a pick. Can we do something?
Oh, Lucio.
I'm just gonna ult. Hopefully, it doesn't have defense matrix.
I'm on fire.
Hey guys.
Alright, good job. Stay.
He ran out of defense matrix, so
It'll be a bit.
stop throwing, go Lucio. We have too many one tricks in one game. I can't do that. I'm sorry.
Think about using that barrel.
By world, we'll spawn by.
They're coming in right side too.
Protect the objective.
Holy shit, that was a nice reaction by him.
Much better.
My ultimate is ready.
Stupid bench!
Heroes never die.
Oh, bye. Can I hit it? Okay, we got him.
It's just the 2 tanks.
Diva's 1 HP, get her out. Nice.
My ultimate is almost ready. Damn it. Very tough.
You're going outside? No. Oh, Lucio?
Wow, he wants me.
Trading. Now we're up one.
Zarya's pretty charged. Oh, Lucio?
We need to defend the objective.
Half. Something got booped, so we might lose this now. We'll see. Yeah, that boop cost us.
My ultimate is charging.
Can't res on the boop either. We needed someone to go on point and then distract, and I could aim off from the side.
Nice.
He was weak. But they have grab here?
Heal up here.
I haven't seen grab in like all game. Very confused.
Into the iris.
Watch out for grab.
I'll be watching over.
I've got you in my sight.
I'm gonna just hope for the best shot. You can't block everything. Sorry, it's 1 HP.
Here, get stabilized.
Heroes never die.
Oh, that right click. That McCree's weak. You can take him, Donald. No cooldowns. Kill him. Where's Donald? Take him out, Diva. Punch him. Nice. Wait, what?
I'm back in the fight.
Stay contesting.
Feeling spry.
Get through this.
We must focus our
This objective has my name written all over it.
Diva's weak.
This.
It'll be an interesting flank. I hate doing flanks like this so they get booped, but I gotta do it. Here comes the boop. It's boop one, so mostly got touch.
Oh my god.
Well, I tried.
It's just a tracer that stuck a couple times.
Only 30 bucks and meh, here you go. I still meh, that's a $30. Thank you. Seriously, thank you, man.
Get back.
And somebody's dead. Wait, how does the Diva die to conk, chat? She can fly. You can also eat the conk.
Get here. Time to raise my APM.
Fuck you, Rez. Ah, there's no escaping. I tried to juke, but the D.Va booped me over anyway, I think.
Urge on me. You're going to live. My ultimate is ready.
That's my Pharah. Wait, why is he playing Pharah into Pharah Mercy? He's gonna get fucked. Ah, who cares? You win some, you lose some. Chad.
Get in there, and I will.
Trying to save you, Lucio? Monkey, block the other monkey, bro! Wow, our Pharah actually flanked and killed their Pharah Mercy somehow. What the fuck?
Heal up here.
My ultimate is fully charged. Get in there. This is gonna make you feel better.
Tactical visor ready for deployment.
Seagull, tell me who to ult you.
My ultimate is ready.
When I press Q, just do it usually.
My ultimate is charging.
We should not be playing on this side, we're just playing on the other side. I'm just playing this side to spam. And now we get lots of control. But we do have a Reaper actually, so playing on this side is okay.
Get in there.
I'm feeling unstoppable.
There we go. Sad 3J, thank you for the sub. That was a nice recall. Is he gonna conk me here? Does he know I'm even here? He's gotta be here. He's already!
Nope.
I heard you, motherfucker! I was waiting!
Yeah, time to heal up. Let's up the tempo. Healing boost.
I'm ready to release my primal rage.
My ATM. My ultimate is charged.
So just behind them.
Fuck. That's some NAM I've seen. High levels of NAM.
I've got you in my sights.
Got it, guys, got it. Okay, Lucio, D.Va.
Thank you.
Round 3, 1.
Good shit.
It is so hard. It is really hard, man. Like I'm 26 and 5. I don't know. There's lots of. I think the moment he went Reaper, we were doing better there because once we get Reaper and we get to have like someone to shred tanks around point, it takes the pressure off of me, and then I'm free to deal with the Pharah Mercy. But this is a different map. This map's a lot more open. I don't know how Reaper's gonna do on this point, unless he's in White Room or something. But 5 Masters, 1 GM versus 2 top 500 Bull. Yeah, matchmaking is. We'll also have like 4 support mains, which kind of sucks. Do I classify as a support main? I think I do.
Healing it up.
Oh wow, that actually splashed me. I don't think we're gonna win this fight. He's dead, Moose Motorway! Anyone contest that?
Turn it up.
Hey, regroup, we're split. Doing
They're
the
so
same
weak
thing,
though,
but-
fuck.
Mounting tower forward shield. 不洗澡。
If we get D by 2, I can ult. Okay, everyone's hitting Q all once! Fuck, chat! Okay, he's bad, thank god.
Oh, this is my jam. Party on the objective.
Good job, guys.
Who's in?
My ultimate is charging. Need healing.
Understood.
This is gonna make you feel better.
Surprised he's actually looking for that. I was outside of freeze range, I think.
Much better.
It's okay, this spot's always overpowered, chat. You wanna know why? Because when they're looking at me, they can't see, they see the giant defend icon in their face.
Oh, let's break it. Damn.
Shit! Thank you, Lucio.
Defend the point.
I don't know if I needed it, but
May have low. Come on, can you
I like the thought, you know?
Diva, purple. It does point, it does point.
Cool, I can't sprint away. Good luck, Chad. I got solo ulted. Solo EMP'd.
I've got you in my sights.
Point confirmed. I thought for sure we were losing
Here
it.
they come.
I had no faith.
Yeah, the May's gonna keep freezing you. Just chill on point, stay with us.
Come on.
At ease.
Nice pick.
Nice! There's an auto up top. She's in dark room now.
Ready to activate the sound barrier.
There's still an auto dark room. Should he win McCree? Oh, fuck you! How? Oh my god, dude. I never saw the McCree. I should have been holding tab, I guess. Fuck.
Hey, just regroup. We'll have ult. Fall back, regroup. Got it.
That was a really nice meaty right click from me, chat. That wall took a heavy damage.
Alright, guys, regroup.
Now spill them.
My ultimate is almost ready.
Time to raise my AP.
I thought I was LOS on that, but I guess not. I got it really close.
Ready. Get in there and I'll hit you. Nanoboost administered.
I've got you in my sights.
Jesus. The Sombra who was throwing the whole game finally McCree and did something. Feels bad, chat.
They have no healer? They have no healer?
Knock me down and I'll keep getting back up.
Let's try, guys.
Nerf this. Suiting up.
Touched it though.
Behind you.
I don't know what your obsession is with Farah, but I was doing fine.
I was doing fine. 2 hits.
I don't quit till the fight's done.
Oh, 50% win right now. Feels bad, chat.
Nice try.
Back to Lucio though.
Play of the match.
Should have played Lucio? Maybe I should have. That was pretty nice.
Justice reigns
Whoa.
from above.
Montress, thank you for 2 months. As well as Jazzy Pants. Thank you for the sub, man. Why did I lose that many points for that game? Like, what the heck? Just waiting for cooldowns in there, fuck.
Has my name written all over it.
Get fucked.